Hi, this is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com. I have gotten a few emails from you actually wanting me to guide you to the series of boot camp lectures. Which class should I take first? What do I do? Do I do coaching first, then take classes? I can't tell you exactly what you should do, but I can suggest to you what to do. It all depends on the stage you are in, okay, in your journey. It all depends. For example, if you just came out of a relationship and you are suffering from a broken heart, I mean, if your heart was just shattered, this person just left you, high and dry, and you're heartbroken. You don't know what to do. You need to start off by taking the Broken Hearted Boot Camp. You need to start off with this course first. After you have taken this course, I would suggest you take the Wellness Boot Camp, okay, because I like working with your inner self first before jumping to your outer self, okay? So again, take the Wellness Boot Camp after the Broken Hearted Boot Camp, and then I want you to take your Personal Image and Style Boot Camp. Personal image comes next, and lastly, well, not lastly, because you could take so many other courses, but then, and only then, I want you to follow up with the Dating and Relationship Boot Camp. I truly believe that you need to take care of your inner self first, your inner image, everything about you and your self-confidence, your self-esteem first, before you go out and call yourself starting to date. This is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com, encouraging you to sign up for my boot camps.